Hey, Dr. Mark Testa here. In today's video, I want to talk to you a little bit about the Regenexx stem cell support formula and how it came to be. Now, Regenexx has been doing bone marrow concentrate stem cells longer than anyone in the United States. We started in 2005. So people would ask, what else can I do to support my procedure? Or what else can I do to help my joints that hurt? And so that was a great question. We went into our research lab led by our Ph.D. research team, and we did some early evaluation on about 20 different nutrients that were shown to support joint health in the literature, or at least common amongst people using supplements. And we went into the lab and we used real human bone marrow concentrate stem cells in the petri dish, and we exposed these 20 chemicals to these cells, and we wanted to see what was going to make those cells be healthy in a toxic environment, or what was going to make those cells, remain healthy once we added these supplements to them. And so we boiled it down to 8 supplements, vitamins, and herbs that were shown in the petri dish in our lab to be beneficial to bone marrow concentrate stem cells. And what were they? Drum roll, please. Vitamin C. Vitamin C has been involved in health for many, many years for people. It's involved in collagen and connective tissue formation. And so we wanted to support that in the body. We also added vitamin D. Vitamin D is insufficient in about 70% of Americans and is involved in about 5% of our DNA gene expression. So it's a very important fat-soluble vitamin. So we added this to the stem cell support formula. There was also some literature that showed that it supported healthy levels of inflammation. We also added 2 forms of glucosamine HCl and glucosamine sulfate. Now, glucosamine HCl was shown to be more effective at relieving pain, while glucosamine sulfate was shown to be more supportive in function and functional movements. So we've added both those. We also added chondroitin sulfate. After looking at 43 different randomized controlled trials on this, we felt that this was beneficial for healthy joints and healthy levels of inflammation. We added curcumin, which in clinical and preclinical studies has also been shown to support healthy levels of inflammation. Now, I keep saying healthy levels of inflammation because this is important. Inflammation is the first step in the healing process. So we don't want to completely suppress it. We want it to be at healthy levels because we micro damage our body all day long, and this is how the body heals and fixes those damages. We don't want to completely shut it off. So we're supporting healthy levels of inflammation. We also added resveratrol, which has been shown to be involved not only in healthy aging, but in healthy gene expression. It's involved in working with the sirtuin genes. And sirtuin genes, for simplicity's sake, basically go through our DNA and fix and correct DNA damage from our lifestyle, smoking, poor diet, sun exposure, toxins, etc. So it's really important at that level, and other studies have shown benefit in working with mesenchymal stem cells and being helpful with osteoarthritis in different ways. These are in clinical studies now. I'll post those in the show notes here. And then finally, we added L-carnosine and bitter melon. These 2 nutrients and nutritional supplements are known to be helpful with healthy levels and maintaining healthy glucose metabolism. Now, this is important because if glucose metabolism is not healthy, it creates these advanced glycation end products, which are involved in the aging process and can be found in aging and in many diseases of aging and unhealthy levels of inflammation. So we wanted to help support that. So we put this together based on our clinical lab research in a petri dish with real bone marrow concentrate, 8 great supplements in one product. You take a capful, it's 1 ounce. It's palatable. We have 2 flavors, strawberry and banana. Once you open it, put the lid on it, keep it in the fridge. Make sure you shake it really well before utilizing it. And some people use it before, during, and after procedures. Some people are using it in additional to other nutritional supplements that they're taking. Consult with your physician on that first. And others are using it who don't necessarily need a procedure just yet and get a lot of relief from this. Now keep this in mind. There is shellfish in this product. Glucosamine comes from shellfish. So if you have a shellfish allergy, don't take this. All right. I hope this was helpful. Please share the information about this video or tell your family and friends about stem cell support formula. They'll probably thank you for it if it gives them the relief that we see in other people. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in the next video.